Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network. With me, DiorShaari. This is my maybe egg, I guess. My egg purchase from Zalora, and this is actually a Baju Melayu, the whole set. Nampak tu sangat bagi putih-putih. So nampak ni. Let's see. Okay, this is from Lubna Homme. Okay. Fsc Rayon Baju Melayu Teluk Belanga set. S. Oh yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter. Previously I had M, so this is S. Okay, good. So we're gonna try, and yeah, let's unbox it. Oh no.
Oh yeah.
The plastic is so fragile. Okay, the one that the previous that I bought, green color. The button, it's actually together, so there's a four. Supposing, yeah. The button is gold from if you purchase the green color, but this one blue. The button is black. Now only I know the combination. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, now let's see. This is the Teluk Belanga. Okay, this one is. Yeah. Okay, Teluk Belanga, Lubna Homme S, and the tagging. Edit. Blue. Yeah, Lubna Homme. Okay, that's only tagging, and got it. Okay, now this is the home, which. Okay, so like this. Okay, and so a bit big. Okay, see the whole thing. Ooh, wow, like that. Okay, right, and then the material. It's nice. Not cheap, of course. Good one, but it needs special care, which is you need a lot of iron and a good iron. Okay, now we look into the pants. The pants also like this. So it's actually very good stitches. Yeah, it's good stitches. Oh, there's some of belang. Okay, and now okay, the pants. Yeah, it's a straight cut. Oh, it looks nice. Okay, I'm gonna try. Let's see later on. Okay. Jangan cuma kat atas, ke bawah sikit. Dia cakap atas sikit. Ni. Okay, nah. Okay. Okay, pause. Okay. Oh no, okay. Right.
Then